Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to solve the WhatsApp multiple accounts feature not showing. Now here are a few things that you can go ahead and do to fix this issue. All you need to do is, first thing, make sure that your WhatsApp account is updated. To do that, all you need to do is to go into your app store right here, and then we're going to be searching for WhatsApp right here. And then in your account right here, if it says update on it, it means that you are not on the latest version of WhatsApp, and this needs to be updated. If it says open right there, what you can go ahead and do for this to check if you need some update is to go ahead and open up the WhatsApp itself. Sometimes this will go ahead and check if you have the latest version, and then this will go ahead and change to update right here. So go ahead and update your WhatsApp Messenger, and this should be fully updated once that you can see that it says open right there. So go ahead and check your WhatsApp if this fixes the issue. If this does not work, another thing that you can go ahead and do is to make sure that you are on the latest version of your iOS version. So all you need to do is to go into settings, and then just go ahead and go into general right here, and then you should be able to see software update. So go ahead and click on this, and then this will go ahead and check if you are on the latest version. And then if you are not, then go ahead and update this once again. And then one more time, just go ahead and check that this solves your issue. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.